Visually, you see what's happening here. Okay? So, when I turn, this has to be in front of me. And then I can move side, or I can go set and connect. Okay, so everyone's looking at this. Now if I move this way and I turn, it looks almost the same, but it's not the jaw here. So the jaw is the one that, if I control this here, it looks different. If I turn, move like this, looks almost the same, but you feel more comfortable. So it has to be here. Okay, so this movement here is to make myself extend more, but connect more. Okay, so it looks almost the same, but if you don't have an idea of your shape, and it's not connected to the nage as an educate, then it's not connected. Okay, so part of the jaw movement is so that you feel connected. You're connected to the jaw, and your partner is connected to you. Okay, a few more times.